Again, YouTubers, today I'm excited to start a new series on my channel. This new series is going to be called Tip Tuesday. And what I plan on doing on those Tip Tuesdays is taking a tip and trying to do it in 2 minutes or less and simply telling you something that can help you to be more confident in your own style in your life. And that could be anything from beauty to makeup to fashion to lifestyle to eating habits to anything you guys would like a quick tip on that you see in my life. People ask me things all the time on Instagram because on Instagram stories you see more every day of my life, things that are going on. And they ask me things like, how did you do this? What do you use for this? And I figured this is a great way to show you guys different tips that I do. One of the most commonly asked things of me recently on my Instagram page is, how do you do that front tuck you do in most of your photos? And I'm gonna show you guys how I do that.
So I'm starting out with a t-shirt that typically would look a little bit boxy on me, even though it has a cute side to it. So you just want to grab the two edges at the same area where the middle of your pockets would be, lift them up, roll them into the pockets, and then roll the front out so the front looks a little bit more flat. Continue that roll all the way around through the side. This will give you a slimmer and flatter look on the front.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this today. And as always, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. If you're not yet subscribed, please do so. And thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.